Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2015 Subaru WRX. Removing the tail lights is easy, as you only need to remove a single rivet and then pry back the flexible trunk lining in order to access the bulbs. The cabin air filter is pretty hassle-free to access. The glove box and its dampening arm easily disconnect, and the air filter itself slides out in a tray-like fashion. Both the engine and interior fuse boxes are easy to find, and their covers are simple to remove. Plus, the fuse box in the engine comes with a fuse puller for your convenience. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The Bluetooth requires pairing via voice activation and a button on the steering wheel, and the screen on the dashboard is not very descriptive. It can end up being a timely process compared to other similar models. Accessing the petcock can be cumbersome, as you'll need to remove a large panel underneath the vehicle that's held on by multiple rivets and bolts, many of which are hard to reach and not readily visible. Some of the headlights, in particular the headlight, fog light, and front turn signal, have a rather tight fit and require a slight removal of the bumper. Overall, the 2015 Subaru WRX is a moderately easy car to repair when compared to other similar models.